parched chickpeas, a biblical snack.
Very simple, healthy, flavorful.
Oh, that's good. Hi, everybody. It's Rivki from Lev Haolam, and I am joined by our Lev Haolam chef, Chef David. Hello, David.
Hi, hello, everybody.
Today, we are making a biblical snack.
In the Bible, in the book of Samuel, we read about the moment when David arrived in a place called Mahanaim, and he was welcomed with food, beans, lentils, and something called parched grain. This was food prepared over fire, easy to carry, easy to store, and strong enough to sustain people on their journey.
And so you have created this recipe called parched chickpeas. So David, tell us about that. What are we making today? Parched chickpeas.
Yes, so it's very simple. We have chickpeas. We put some Israeli spices there, olive oil, and we parch it. We bake it, that it will be crunchy. It's a nice snack to have, healthy, flavorful.
David, could we say that King David ate something like this back in those days, biblical days?
We can say 100% maybe.
All right, well, I'm inspired. 100% maybe, and I know that these are going to be 100% delicious.
Yes. So, we need chickpeas. We have already cooked and well drained it. You can buy your cooked or cook by yourself, but you need to drain it. It will be more or less dry.
Okay.
And let's put a Dead Sea salt.
You know, it's my favorite, right?
Yeah, it's much better.
You're like, I know, I've heard.
And now we put the cumin. So not too much, it's very dominant.
I love to put cumin in my tahina as well.
And of course the sweet paprika.
Okay. Ooh, pretty.
Yeah.
And so, David, I suppose you could adjust the spice just depending on your preference. Like, you want it super spicy or not so spicy.
You can put here also a spicy paprika or some else. It depends your taste. And of course the olive oil.
How do people live without olive oil?
Yeah.
That is what I want to know. In Israel, we couldn't. We were just like, never mind missiles. They should just, if they want to stop us, take away our olive oil. We couldn't do without it.
Now let's mix it all together. Let the spices cover every piece with olive oil. Yeah. Let's have a good color.
Yeah.
So you smell the olive oil.
Yeah.
So.
And the spice, the blend of the olive oil and the spice is just wonderful. I always feel like, too, when you cook dishes like this and you're baking them in your home, your whole home has this wonderful smell. Comforting.
Yeah. So it's ready, and now we just need to pour it on our tray. Like this.
I can take that for you.
And we just need to split it, that it will be all over the tray, that it can cook properly.
Okay.
We want it to be crunchy, cooked well.
Lovely.
Yeah, so we just split it on the tray. After this, we're ready to put it on the oven.
All right.
Around 180 Celsius for 25 minutes. But you can see, check, move it a little bit and to bring it to the level you want it. More crunchy, less crunchy, depends you prefer. So I think we're ready to put in the oven.
All right, let's do it. You know, it's interesting when you pulled the ingredients together and I saw, okay, chickpeas, but then I see that we're using spice from Spice Road Farms, one of our partners that we work with. They have a beautiful farm up in the Galilee. Salt from the Dead Sea, olive oil, this is actually from the Arava Desert. And the people that we work with, they face so many challenges, and some of them are quite obvious, you know, the boycott movement or the war. People are away defending the country, but also they face some other challenges, things like climate. Imagine, like these guys, growing olive trees in like the desert. You know, there's not a lot of water there. And I'm so proud of all of the people that we work with because they really bring all of that Israeli ingenuity, you know, that we hear about and you read about in the news. They bring it. They bring just a sense of excellence. I promise you, they are all so excited to create something that comes from their heart and their soul and to share it with people who appreciate them and love Israel and want to stand with them and Israel. It's exciting. So if you're not a member, please click the link in the description. You can see who we are, what we do, who we work with. It's sustainable, and it means that you can stand with Israel every single day, all the way through the year. You can stand with us in your kitchen. You can stand with us when you serve with these beautiful dishes. You can really make relationships. Woohoo!
Yeah, so our chickpeas is ready.
Yeah, it looks good.
You see they dry a little bit. You can mix it and let it chill. And before use, you can eat it like a snack, just to eat, or you put in the salad, or on the hummus, everywhere. It's like a, you know, like a nuts.
You guys, we have on our channel Israeli salad recipe with Chef David. We have also hummus recipe, a couple of them. So check those out because you can make the parched chickpeas and use them with those other recipes. I want to try one and to see how it is. Oh, that's good.
It's crunchy. It's have spices. As we told you, you can play with the spices to make it more spicy, less spicy.
This is incredible. You could serve it also hot if you wanted to, but nice to take like trail mix when you're hiking. Very nutritious. Wow. And then of course you're invited to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes from Israel. And if you're not a member of Lev Haolam, we would love to invite you to join our family. So just check out the link in our description. David, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for watching and see you.
Bye.
Bye.